G'day, it's Simon and Shannon here. Now we are surrounded by old furniture.
We're going to have a look around, find some gems.
Yeah.
I reckon the people that threw this stuff out will be kicking themselves. Can you physically kick yourself? Okay. You could turn this into a wicked little bar.
You might want to take a shelf out so you,
Yeah, no, take a shelf out.
Bottles
so you
could fit in.
Fit bottles. Look, you could.
And the good thing about those old style furniture pieces, they make them solid.
Yeah, they last. Because this is a bit old school, it's already got polyurethane on it, so we're giving it a light sand. It's always best to use what's already on here. So I've only got one brush, so...
You can do that.
Sorry, bro.
All right, Shen, these are dry and I've painted them all by myself.
All by your shelf. Yes. The reason we've only got 2 shelves is we're going to have a bit more room up the top of the cabinet for the bigger bottles. Look at that. But just to top it off, let's put some LED strip lighting. Okay, these can be battery operated.
Like so.
But we want this to be a bit more of a permanent feature, so we're going to plug them into the wall. And to do this, we're going to have to put 2 little holes in the back of the cabinet. What a perfect restoration.
Yeah.
I think we've stayed true to the heritage of this piece. We haven't tried to make it into something else.
We've kept with the theme, the antique theme.
And the warm LED lighting really makes this a feature.
Yeah.
So before you throw anything out, have a good think about what else it could be used for.